Okay, so I am going to start with this first box, and it kind of made me a little upset because the postal man left the box in the pouring down rain. Didn't leave it on the porch. It's up front. Didn't leave it on the patio deck. Didn't ring the doorbell. Our Janie, my daughter-in-law, saw it. So packaged. And anyway, I told you she was going to have a baby. We're having another girl. So that's going to be 3 girls. And I have 1 little grandson. So please pray for my makeup as I get older. Because it's going to be gone. It's going to be gone. Because you know kids take after their grandparents. It's going to be gone. And I'm going to have 3 girls, if not more. Oh, bless me. So anyway, y'all know I had gotten this secret garden that was a Sephora and House of Lashes, you know, collaboration. So I go and I'm going to order the Versailles palette. You know, I want the whole collection. What do they send me? The secret garden. I'm going to have to drive an hour and a half to my closest Sephora to see if I can get the Versailles palette. This is the first thing I've pulled open. So I'm kind of worried as we go along. And I'm just going to set this aside for now. Because that kind of worries me. And of course, all the boxes didn't come on the same day. The next thing I got is from Bite Beauty, and this is actually for a friend mail. And it contains, and I'm going to pull these off. Yes, I'm going to be 44 years old next month. And I can't see. And I'm not going to pretend that I can't see no more because, well, I'm in the way over 40 club. It contains a lip balm. Okay, the agave lip balm, the agave lip mask, and it contains 3 lipsticks. It's in the color verbena, chai, and sour cherry. And it comes in a cute little bag. And I'm not going to open it because it's going to be getting sent out probably tomorrow or Saturday. Okay. The next thing I got was the little mini rainbow palette by Violet Voss. There went that. And let me bend this back. I thought those colors were so pretty. And anymore, I like more mini things because, you know, it's hard to hit pan on anything anymore. It's so hard to do it. And it seems like things are getting bigger and bigger. And they're not the best quality. So I'd rather have something smaller that's better quality. You know, I think everybody would like that. And then this, I debated and debated on. And I finally got it. It was on sale, so I finally got it. I had been debating for a long time. And it's from one of my favorite brands, which is Jouer. And it was the Funfetti collection. And I just think it's beautiful. I just think their stuff is so beautifully, like, oh my gosh. That's what I think draws me to it. It's beautifully packaged. And this here, like, I mean, look at this. This is metal. I don't know if y'all can see that. And inside of it, if I can figure out how to open it, is a highlighter. It's just a little highlighter. And it also comes with, let me stick that back in its little thing. If I can get this open. Maybe I'll just leave it like that and hold it. It comes with a lip topper. And then like an eye, like a liquid eye thing. I'm not sure what to call it right now. But it's just so beautifully packaged. And I just love that about Jouer. And Jouer is really a good product. And it's well worth the price. But it was one of those things that I debated and debated in my head. And finally went on sale. So I was like, why the heck not? Because I do like to save a little bit of money, you know. So then I had gotten, everybody's raving about Mario Badescu, and I had tried it years and years ago. And so I ended up getting the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Not thinking, because I didn't read it all, that it has green tea. I have a problem with green tea. I'm the one that can use coconut, but not green tea. So this one I will probably pass on to my daughter, Holly. That's the Clinique one. And that's box number 1. Now let's take a look at box number 2. Where is box number 2? Okay, let me look at box number 2. Let's see what's in here. If I can get to it. Box number 2. Okay. I'm trying to hurry up, y'all. I really am, because I know this video is like long, and I apologize for it. Okay. They were having a sale on masks, all different masks. So I had ended up getting a coconut mask. Oh, Lord. A green tea mask. Guess who's that's going to? My daughter. Maybe. A pearl mask. A pineapple face mask. A coconut mask. And an algae mask. I will put algae on my face. So, that was, you know, that was some of the masks I got. So I'm going to set those to the side. Where am I going to put these? I'll put these right here. Okay. Then part of this is like samples. Let's see here. And I don't remember getting anything from Dior, but I'll see what it is. Okay, now, I thought it was going to be a Dior lipstick, but it's not. It's just a bunch of little one-use, one-time things by Dior. Just different little one-time usage packets by Dior. Which will be kind of neat, you know. You're not going to get tired of that, because you're going to get one use out of it, and that's going to be it. If I can get it back in here. Oh, it comes with a little brush. Okay, that's what that is. Alright, we don't need to see a little tiny brush. It's just one of those little tiny cheap brushes for your lipstick. Probably big enough to fit in that little sample pack. Set it there. And then this is another little sample pack, and it contains it's called Rose Redux, little tiny lipstick. And anymore, I'm into minis. Like I said, I'm into minis because you never finish everything. This is a contour eye pencil. And let's take a look here. What is this? Clean skin gel, and it cleanses and tones. I don't know if y'all can even see that, if I'm in focus or not. So that's a little thing of samples. Let me set that down there. Alright. Here's some more little samples. It's a little, I don't know, this is a little sample of Sephora foundation, but it's so light, it's not going to match me. They know my, you know, what my preferences are. I'm not this color, y'all. Look. Am I this color? No. I'm going to set that over there. The other thing I had gotten was Murad, and this is also free. It was a replenishing multi-acid peel. And if anybody has ever done this, please let me know, because I'm scared to put this on my skin. And then it peels all off like something like a zombie. And I look like something out of Walking Freaking Dead. I don't want to do that. Okay, what else? What else is in here? Okay, then I got some, what does this say? Blah, 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 blah. Luminous. I can't even see this with glasses. That's sad. Luminous, radiant. I think it says little radiant, luminous drops. So that's kind of neat. Okay. And then, let me take a look what else is in here. Okay, this is a little sample of Laura Mercier powder. Translucent setting powder. And then, let me check real good, make sure I'm not missing anything. I got something planned, y'all. But I can't tell you what. I got a bunch of these little masks. And there's kiwi and what is this one? Goji berry. And they're the rubber mask you mix up. But I'm gonna do something that involves straws. And I hope it's funny. Y'all know I gotta do something crazy and get in a little bit of trouble. And I'm hoping it turns out like it should, because if not, it's gonna turn real bad. But that is it for my little Sephora haul. And as I always say, you've got to learn to... I'm thinking on what plan I'm doing. I'm sorry. You've got to learn to accept yourself. You got to learn to love yourself. And with that comes that confidence. And once you get that confidence, ooh, can't nothing stop you. Can't nothing stop you. So, from my home to yours, I love y'all. And I will see you in my next video. And if you like this, or even if you don't, give me a thumbs up. If you hated it, give me a thumbs down. And go ahead, click that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you never miss a moment of my goofiness. And right now I'm trying to reach my 500 subscribers so that when I do, I can have a big giveaway. And I think that would be awesome, because I've never done a giveaway, but I'd like to. But anyway, y'all, like I said, I love you. And you just gotta be you, alright, y'all? Just be kind to each other. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.